Frank here. Today, going to be opening up the second hobby box of 2019 Topps Heritage Baseball. Really like this stuff. My first box I had, you have to just watch the video. I don't want to say what I got in it. So this was from the exact same case. So we'll see if it's a good box as well. We got a Topps Teammates one box letter card inside 2019. I have not seen one of these, so let's see what this is. Finance team. Topps team. So this must be a Topps employee card. Weird. Those people actually got on cards there. Oh, there's the names of the people. Number 9 out of 18. Huh. A Topps finance team box topper. So I'll put that back in here. Alright, let's get to opening these. Alright, so we got that. We got Wade Davis, Zach Godley, Adam Eaton, Rafael Devers, Trevor Story, New Age Performer, Angels Rookies, Gorkas Hernandez, Jared Dyson, Will Smith. Got Robbie Ray, Luis Castillo, Nate Jones, Danny Duffy, Jose Abreu. That is a short print. Short prints are any of them numbered over 400. Josh Hader. Look at his stat line from last year. 81 innings pitched, 143 strikeouts. Nuts. Twins rookies. Jose Ramirez, Whit Merrifield. So we got Josh Reddick, Giants rookie stars, Alex Cobb, Brad Hand, Frankie Montas. There's a Michael Kopech rookie, Jock Peterson, Ryan Stanek, and Sonny Gray. We got Alan Hansen, Alberto Mondesi, Rougned Odor, Robert Selman. We got news flashbacks, the White Festival. Huge crowd rocks Isle of Wight Festival. Okay. Mike Clevenger, Wilson Contreras, Ben Gamble, Mitch Garver. And I'm looking for print that's underneath these numbers, or also numbers over 400, in case I missed any when I was going through those. It's usually like the 5th card in your pack is usually your short print or something like that, or action shot or something. One of the special cards. I got Sal Romano, Marco Gonzalez, Royals rookies, Jason Kipnis, Michael Fulmer, Freddie Freeman, Joe Musgrove, home run leaders, and When Puigs Fly. Jonathan Villar, Andrelton Simmons, Yoenis Cespedes, Billy Hamilton, Zach Greinke. So that's a short print there. Jason Hayward, Lou Trevino, Adam Conley, Clayton Richard. Martin Prado, Wellington Castillo, Brandon Belt, Luis Giolotto. Oh, we got a relic here. A gray jersey relic of Sterling Marte. Here's what the backs of those look like. We got Josh Bell, ALCS, and David Peralta. So I would always rather get an auto out of Heritage, but it is pretty tough to pull autos out of this. So that's our one hit we got. But it's not just about hits in this. There's the awesome inserts and stuff that you're looking for in short prints. Variations. Miguel Sano, Tyler White, David Price, J.P. Crawford, Jordan Hicks. That's a short print. Austin Romine, Teoscar Hernandez, Seth Lugo. Move that pack over there. Love ripping Heritage. Always really fun to find the weird stuff. All right, this one got Anthony Rendon, Cardinals rookies, pitching leaders, Jonathan Camargo. There's a Gleyber Torres, New Age Performers. ERA leaders, Victor Arano, Trevor Williams, Robbie Erlin. Michael Conforto, Cubs rookies, Jed Gorko, Mark Melanson, Freddie Freeman, that is a short print, Daniel Palka, World Series, Lance McCullers, Nicky Delmonico. We got Yu Darvish, Mitch Moreland. Oh, we got something weird here. Mitch Moreland, Christian Vasquez, Nick Goodrum, Joakim Soria, Roberto Perez, and Manny Machado. Oh, it's just a refractor. Just looked weird because it was one of these rookies ones. That's pretty nice. Michael Kopech rookie out of 999. Just chrome, not the refractor version. That's pretty good. We got Brewers rookies, Tyler Skaggs, Phillies rookies, strikeout leaders, the polling stations, voting age in U.S. lowered to 18, Jorge Alfaro, Chris Stratton, Marcus Stroman, Jake Junis. Do a little quick look through these cards here. Hey. Alright, next few packs here. Andrew Kashner, Braves rookies, Steven Strasburg, Ian Desmond, Matt Olson, and Jervis Solarte, Aroz Vizcaíno, J.D. Martinez, Luke Weaver. He must have been part of the Paul Goldschmidt trade, because he used to be on the Cardinals. Shane Carl, Daniel Mingden, Maikel Franco, James McCann. We got Mike Trout, New Age Performer, German Marquez, Benintendi, Tony Kemp, Harrison Bader. All right, next pack, Jesse Biddle, Yohan Moncada, Brock Holt, Derek Dietrich, Stephen Piscotty, that is a short print, Sandy Alcantara, Willie Calhoun. I think he's going to have a good year this year for the Rangers. Jordan Zimmerman, Pedro Strop. Dexter Fowler, Daniel Robertson. We got a black card in here. Zach Cozart, pitching leaders, Greg Bird, Sir Anthony Dominguez, Blue Jays rookies, Brad Boxberger, somebody on the Rays, Jesus Sucre. These are out of 50, even though they're not numbered on the card. They stated that these black border cards are out of 50. So nice numbered card there. Max Stassi, Travis Jankowski, Jorge Polanco, Joey Gallo, Jose Altuve, that's a short print, Altuve, Felix Hernandez, Chad Pinder, batting leaders, Kyle Crick. Ryan Healy, Brandon Morrow, Kirby Yates, Manny Margot, the Then and Now insert, Yuli Gurriel, Matt Davidson, Carlos Santana, and Sporting News. Ryan Braun, Robinson Chirinos, Giants rookies, Blue Jays rookies, Yonder Alonso. That is a short print. David Boat, Rays rookies, Steve Pearce, Austin Hedges. Yeah, these are starting to stack up on me here. When I get more time, I'm going to try to look through these really close, see if I see any. There's some that have French writing on them as well. Those are pretty rare to find those. Alright, next pack. Looks like we got our scratch-off card in this one. Evan Longoria, Alex Gordon. We got Eddie Rosario, Josh Donaldson. And yes, we have a Robinson Cano scratch-off card. There's the back, and then here's all the little scratch-offs inside there. Little game you can play. Chris Archer, Mike Fears, Justin Anderson, Dansby Swanson. Got Tigers rookies, Ender Inciarte. Rays rookies, ERA leaders, Jose Ramirez, New Age performer. There's IKF, Caleb Coart, Lewis Brinson, Aaron Hicks. Lewis Brinson actually having a really good spring, so I've got a lot of his rookie cards, so I hope he has a really good year, because I think he kind of struggled last year a little bit. Let's see. Lewis Brinson. Last year, he was actually my pick for National League Rookie of the Year at the beginning of the year, before the season started. Hit 199, kind of struggled there. Did hit 11 home runs. Doesn't show strikeouts, but he's having a good spring, so maybe he'll have a big year this year. Brandon Drury, Ivan Nova, Carlos Carrasco, Joey Wendell. There's baseball flashbacks. I think that's Brooks Robinson. Yep. Cole Hamels, Josh Harrison, CJ Cron, and Nick Markakis. All right, Jameson Taillon, Colton Wong, Darren O'Day, CC Sabathia. Ooh, that's a nice one. I've been noticing that the action variants have like a darker border. If you notice that, it has a darker gray border. Michael Kopech, rookie card action variant. That's really nice. These are really tough to pull. Yeah, that's the only ones that have the rookie card symbol are action variants. So that's a very nice card. Vasil Garcia, AJ Minter, Jose Peraza, and JD Martinez. So we got one pack left. Got home run leaders, Cody Bellinger, Enrique Hernandez, Matt Duffy, Albert Pujols. That is a short print. Here's a good example of one of the reasons I love Heritage. They show all the career stats of the players. Like someone like Pujols has been playing a long time, still have all their stats on the back of the card. Wilmer Flores, Manny Pena, Bryce Harper, Yairo Munoz. So let me quickly look through these, see if we missed anything. Also, you can look for flip stock cards. And the flip stock cards have a real glossy back because the card has been flipped. Those are limited to 5. Pretty tough to spot, though, I think. You gotta look really close. It's easier to see them from the back, I think. Okay. So in this box, we got 8 short prints. You must get 8 short prints every box, which that's pretty awesome. We got our New Age Performers here. We got a really nice Michael Kopech action variant rookie card. We got our scratch off Robinson Cano. Get this Jesus Sucre out of 50. We got this Michael Kopech. This is a good Michael Kopech box here. This is his other rookie card, and this is out of 999. We got a Sterling Marte Relic, and the little inserts that we got. All right, stay tuned for more videos.